Tesla Model Y accessories. Let's do an overcap of everything that I have bought or got give to me or sponsored post. Let's go. So on the first accessory, it is from Hansshow. It is an automatic Frunk, so you can work by just pressing the button here on your key fob or in the app. And that way you don't have to manually close it anymore. You can also use the button here inside to close it as well. And the beeping on that is optional. We just kept the horn on there, but you can also take that off if you don't want it. But once again, just press the key fob and the frunk will open up automatically. Another accessory in here is going to be the Frunk light. This is from Tlyard. I've got all these options linked in my link tree or down below in the caption as well. Okay, moving on to the next accessory, we're going to talk about wheel caps. So my car came with arrow caps, but you just pop these off, and these came from Tvibex. They are a performance wheel look, and I do really like them. They're super easy to clean and take off. And what I've noticed is it hasn't affected the range at all. Second accessory on here is going to be just a tire gauge cover, and it just has a Tesla logo if you want to come in and show that a little more. And then the center Tesla logo on the Tvibex wheel cap as well. This can come on or off. We just decided to leave it on. Next accessory is the Spigen camera covers. I really like these. Obviously, it comes in a pack of 2 for each side. It's a carbon fiber look, and it is just to protect those cameras a little bit better from rock debris or things like that. One of the main accessories and one of my favorites is the matte PPF that we did from Tesbros. It is a DIY kit, so anybody can do it. It took us a couple of days to do. Each piece is pre-cut, but it was super easy and got it done and is definitely worth it. It's protected a lot from paint chips, road. We've already took a lot of road trips in this, going camping and things like that. And the next accessory is also from Tvibex. It is illuminated door sills, so at night these will actually light up, and it comes in a pack of 4. I chose the mirror finish, so it goes on each door here. We can take a look at this one as well. And that's something that didn't come with the car, but it just makes it look just a little bit better. One of my next favorite accessories is these Tesla mats. These came from the Tesla shop. You can buy all their accessories on there as well, but it's fully coverage. It's an all-weather liner mat, and that goes in the front 2 spaces and the back as well. And then I also chose the optional trunk mats that go on the back seat, and we'll take a look at those. One of my next ones that you may not notice while we're in here is this rubber protective that's right here. So it used to be this type of carpet fabric that's right here, but now it is rubber and sealed off. Same goes for right here as well. So now it's just rubber, and it just makes it way easier to clean, and it's protected. Here's a look at the back floor liners for the back row. And then also, while we're back there, we're going to take a look at the Yonzee nettings that cover the air vents underneath the front 2 seats. That way it blocks debris from getting inside the air vent down there. Down to the back area here, we'll open the trunk. And you can see that it has the Parcel cover. This came with my car because it's the launch series, so I do really like it, and I actually use it a lot. So a lot of people say they take it out and just put it in their garage, but I choose to usually keep it in here all the time. The next thing you'll probably notice is the glow around the trunk. That is also part of the Tlyard accessory front and trunk light kit. Another one that's just super easy to install. You plug it into the cigarette outlet here in the back, and it does have an optional on and off switch if you don't want to turn it off, or you could choose to unplug it if you're running something else back there. Another accessory that's back here in the trunk is going to be these trunk dividers, I would call them, trunk pockets. You has a tab here you lift up, and then that gives you a pocket shell. In here you can put ice cubes in here if you wanted to, just groceries, whatever you'd like, just to divide up some stuff. Otherwise it would just be kind of an empty pocket that is in the trunk of the car. And moving back up to the front, if we take this seat back here, we've got some buckets from Tvibex, I believe it was. I'll have to link them, make sure you just check that out. So this bucket here is just a storage for underneath the seat. I've actually got this Fanttik vacuum in here, which is another accessory that I would highly recommend. It came with all these different attachments that I keep in this bag under here, and then this nozzle, which is my favorite, which I typically use the most to clean out the car. But it lasts a while, and you can actually use the end piece as a blower if you need to blow up like an inflatable mattress or something like that.